It's Sabrina here, and I will be walking you through my entire 1-ton 4-link setup on my 94 YJ. Alright, I drove this Jeep in high school. It was my first car, bought it myself, and now I'm going to destroy it. So this is actually kind of interesting. We originally tried to just use a cutoff wheel and cut off all the old mounts off of the Dana 60 that I pulled. That was actually very hard compared to my rear axle that I did last year. So we actually rented a plasma cutter from Miller's Welding Supply down in Seattle. So that's what we used to cut off all the old mounts, and then we came in with a grinding wheel, just polished it up, got the new truss on there.
Sounds straight. Okay, and then the last few lines right here. And you're done.
Just a screwdriver.
And then how to get these two lines. And this plug up here, I don't know if you see it, but that plug, it goes up. That's how it goes. This, obviously, if we were actually really smart, we could drill a hole right here. Around right back in the factory.
Did you know if you pull this out?
Yeah, we tried pulling it out. I remember we had this thing out. Or I don't think we had it out. I think we were trying to do it up here. But yeah, that's what causes
you get extra.
Well, it actually fills up
yeah,
the
it
tank.
fills up, yeah.
Yeah.
Extra gas.
Not so much that it's extra. It's a normal amount for whatever reason you use for that.
This is the setup. It's kind of poor. Don't have a lift. All right, I'm using 6-ton jack stands that I got from Tractor Supply. Okay, so, and I'm also using my high lift to keep the front end up. Whew. Wish me luck. So as I mentioned before, or if I haven't already, my whole link setup, all the mounts, all the links, all the Johnny joints, everything, all the cross members and shit, I did buy. It's kind of like a kit on GenRight. There's like a different bunch of pieces you can buy. And it also comes with about 50 pages of instructions. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, but I am also basing it off of what they told me. So stay tuned. So basically the reason I'm doing this is because I wanna do harder shit on the trail. So that means bigger tires, bigger gears, bigger axles. Like, comment, subscribe. I will be posting videos every 1 to 2 weeks, all right? I am a full-time student as well as I have a full-time job at a Land Rover dealership. So bear with me here. I'm trying to work on this as much as possible. Stay tuned.